Fourth Pawar Ministry. Sharad Pawar was sworn in as Chief Minister of Maharashtra for the fourth time on 6 March 1993. On appointment, Pawar formed an 18-member cabinet. The cabinet continued until the 1995 legislative elections and was replaced by the Manohar Joshi ministry. Government formation. Soon after the 1990 legislative elections, Pawar, then the incumbent chief minister, was sworn in once again. However, after 1991 Indian general election, Pawar resigned and was appointed defense minister by P.V. Narasimha Rao. He served as the Member of Parliament for Baramati at the same time. On his resignation, Sudhakarrao Naik was appointed the chief minister. However, in 1993, Pawar resigned as the nation's defense minister and returned as the head of Maharashtra government. List of ministers. The initial ministry consisted of ministers of state. The junior ministers in the cabinet included Marsban Patrola, Finance and General Administration; Ashok Chavan, Public Works, Urban Development and Parliamentary Affairs; Avinash Naik, Industries, Tourism and Environment; Arun Divkar, Youth Welfare and Sports; Sadashivrao Dedoba Mandlik, Education Employment Guarantee Scheme, Rehabilitation; Eknath Gaikwad, Housing and Slum Development, Labor and Social Welfare; Manikrow Thakur, Home Affairs, Agriculture and Rural Development; Madhavrao Bhujangrao Kinhalkar, Revenue and Cooperation. References equals